St. John's Program for Real Change is more than a shelter. We provide hope, we provide healing. But when a woman first comes into St. John's, she's surrounded with the staff, she's surrounded with optimism and hope, and she begins her year-round journey.
We only need one hero, so every woman just needs one person, one child needs one person to believe in them, and you'll be amazed at what they can do.
And people often ask me, oh, what's it like working with homeless, or what's it like working at a shelter? And I explain to people, we are endeavoring to look at people as a whole, right? I can give you a meal, I can give you a bed, but that does not resolve your challenge.
I felt great working at St. John's. I get to see the positive impact I have on the women and children and families that we serve, from intake all the way from them going into permanent housing and providing that support, giving them a platform where they can grow and improve on their skills to be able to help and provide for their families.
We know they can do it when the women and the children come here. We know in our hearts that they can do it. And our job here is to make them see it. And once they start getting that taste of success, it just starts to really flow for them.
So when our ladies come in, they're usually looking for stability, and part of that is obtaining a job. So a lot of times they're coming in, they may not have a lot of work experience, or they have a lot of different types of jobs and big gaps in their employment history. A lot of times when they come in, we try and reassure them and give them confidence that they have the ability to get these great, amazing jobs. And even if it takes a little while to get there, that's okay. Start with like a starter job, right? And then kind of work your way up to something better.
You know, we look at it through the lens of we're all someone's miracle, and we're all meant to shine. And that's everybody that's here. That's every one of us. Every homeless person that's out there, their mother wanted something great for them.
I feel like I can't find enough words to describe how I feel. Like I want to say passionate, but that can seem cliche, but that is what it is, right? I am passionate about really giving women the tools they need. When I lay my head on my pillow, I know that I've made a difference in someone's life, and I believe that's what I'm here to do.